Hi guys, I'm Casey, better known to my students as Mrs. Ingram. Um, and I'm going to go over a little bit about frequency distribution and creating frequency polygons. So our question is, Mr. Akoy gave a biology test last week, and he gave us the scores of 18 of his students. So, and we need to complete a grouped frequency distribution, not a frequency observation. I feel like I'm having a observation done right now. But a frequency distribution for the data. So the first thing that we're going to do that I like to do is write all of the numbers, the test scores that they gave us, write them out in numerical order from least to greatest. That gives me a better idea of where I'm at, and it makes sure that I get all of the numbers and I don't miss anything. So once I do that, then I group the data into the test scores, into the frequencies. It's really not difficult to do that, especially if you do it in numerical order. Then you can just kind of go down your list and see exactly where you're at and what you're doing, making sure you're not missing anything. The thing that I have the hardest time with is the frequency polygon. And that's because I always forget to do the midpoint. I try to do it like a histogram instead of doing the midpoint. But it's really important to remember when you're doing a frequency polygon that you use the midpoint. So in order to find the midpoint for our data set, you're going to take your intervals. So for instance, one of our intervals is 65 to 71. And you add them together and then divide by 2. And that gives you your midpoint. So you know exactly what's between 65.5 and 71.5. And then you do that for all of them, and it makes it easier once you do it. And then you just go through and draw your little polygon on there, which you'll be able to see once you see it on paper. It's a little hard because I'm pretty sure, look, if I hold this up, it's all going to be backwards for you, so you wouldn't be able to really see it anyway. And I'm not tech savvy enough to know how to do it any other way. But I will write it all out for you, step by step, so then you'll be able to see it done for you. Okay. Good luck. I hope this clears something up for you. And Merry Christmas. I hope you have the merriest Christmas. Thank you for everything.